Making Chipotle bowls at home is an easy dinner. This Chicken Chipotle Bowl recipe is made with mostly fresh ingredients, plus cauliflower rice and dairy-free sour cream. Remember, using healthy food alternatives plus food-grade essential oils helps to improve gut and mental health. Try it. It's so simple. Healthy is simple. First, check out my clean ingredient Chipotle Peppers and Adobe Sauce recipe that I use here that includes food-grade essential oils. You can use all or part depending on hotness desired, then cut it up for this recipe. So in an Instant Pot or pressure cooker, even just a large pot, I add 1 cup of water and 3 large chicken breasts. Then I add 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and then all or most of my recipe of Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. Now you want to pressure it for 30 minutes at the normal pressure setting, or on a stovetop it would take an hour or more, adding more water as needed. Meanwhile, you're going to be wanting to preparing all your vegetables and toppings for your Chipotle bowls. Once the chicken is done, if it's pressure cooked, all you have to do is take your masher and mash it well, and it shreds really, really nicely. You'll see how this works really well. Now it's dinner time. Put it in a bowl along with all the other bowls of toppings. Then each person assembles their own bowl, starting with the rice or cauliflower rice, top with the Chipotle chicken, then add black beans if desired, shredded lettuce, sliced black olives, cut red peppers, diced avocado, dairy-free sour cream, and lastly, fresh cut cilantro. It's a tasty Southwest combination for sure. Healthy is simple. If you wonder how essential oils can help improve gut health, download my free Food Grade Essential Oils Guide to learn why and how to use them. Then ask your questions, like and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching.